Hello students, welcome to UMaths class. I hope you all are eager to learn new concept with me. Let us learn about prime, twin prime and co-prime numbers. According to the definition, the prime numbers have only two factors. The two factors would be 1 and the original number itself. Hence, we need to find here the numbers which consist of only two factors. Let us clarify this with the help of few examples. Factor of 1 is 1, factors of 2 is 1 and 2, factors of 3 is 1 and 3, factors of 4 is 1, 2 and 4, factors of 5 is 1 and 5, factors of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now observe in these examples which have only two factors. Here 2, 3 and 5 are prime numbers. Note here the numbers 0 and 1 are neither prime nor composite. Now you must be thinking, what is composite number? Observe these two examples. 13 is a prime number because it has exactly two factors, 1 and 13. That is 1 and that original number itself. Where 12 is a composite number because it has more than two factors. The factors of 12 are 1, 3, 4 and 12. The numbers which have more than two factors are called composite numbers. I am sure you must have understood prime and composite numbers. Now let us understand twin prime numbers. According to the definition, twin primes are a pair of prime numbers that have a difference of 2 between them. Let's clarify this definition with the help of few examples. Let's take pair of prime numbers 3 and 5. The difference is 2. 29 and 31. The difference is 2. 41 and 43. The difference is 2. Such pairs of prime numbers are called twin prime numbers. Note here, twin primes are the set of two numbers that have exactly one composite number between them. For example, 29 and 31 has 30 as a composite number between them. Now let us learn what are co-prime numbers. There should be a minimum of two numbers to form a set of co-prime numbers. According to the definition, numbers are co-prime if their common factor is only 1. Numbers have only 1 as their HCF, then those numbers are called co-prime numbers. Let us clarify the definition with the help of few examples. Let us take two numbers, 15 and 8. To check whether these numbers are co-prime or not, we have to find factors of these numbers. In these two factor numbers, there is only one common factor, which is number 1. So 15 and 8 are co-prime numbers. Let us take another example, 4 and 7. Here also you can see 1 is the only common factor of 4 and 7. Let us take three numbers, 5, 7 and 9. Factors of 5, 7 and 9, you can observe here 1 is the only common factor. So we can say that these all set of numbers are co-prime numbers. Numbers having only 1 as common factor in between two or more set of numbers. Note here, two consecutive natural numbers are always co-prime numbers. For example, 4 and 5, 21 and 22. Co-prime numbers need not be prime numbers. For example, 4 and 9 are not prime numbers, but they are co-primes as they have only 1 as a common factor. Note, 1 is co-prime with any number. Today we have learnt prime numbers, twin prime numbers and co-prime numbers. I am sure you must have understood all these three concepts very well. As I always say, maths requires practice. Let us see how much we have understood by testing our knowledge. Solve these questions in your notebook and write answers in comment section. All the best, students. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, then don't forget to hit the like button. To get instant updates, subscribe my YouTube channel UMaths. If you have any question, leave a comment and I will answer you back as early as possible. I will be back with some more new concepts, new videos. Stay tuned with UMaths.